Code reviews. This is a big one for me personally. Great technology products are rarely created in a vacuum. They emerge when several smart people support each other in solving challenging problems. Yep, definitely true. That's why feedback and code reviews are so critical. They serve as a basis for constructive discussions that lead to better engineering processes and better code. Don't write looks good to me. That's what that means, LGTM. That looks good to me. And approve the pull request a minute after receiving it. Do take as much time as needed to understand the code and the intentions behind it and question whether everything works as expected. Most engineers creating pull requests genuinely want to hear your thorough feedback and learn from your experience. They rely on you to identify mistakes and issues they might not have thought about. Yeah, that's definitely true. Code reviews are so important, and that's what I was saying earlier about point one about the backups, right? Is if you were to write a small bit of code, pop it in a CI pipeline, you'd obviously just have a little bit of Python script, super simple to just use Barto to delete an S3 bucket and clear everything out of it. If you just did that as code and put it in there, you can then get someone to do a code review. They can look at it and go, you've chosen the wrong bucket, or maybe you're not deleting the bucket, but you're deleting a key in the bucket. S3 buckets don't have directories per se, they just have keys, but maybe you're getting the key wrong and it's like you're meant to be deleting A, not B, and the code review would catch that, and then you would not obviously solve the problem of deleting the wrong thing, but you would greatly increase your chances of getting it right. And so code reviews are just so important, and there needs to be more of them. They also act as knowledge transfer as well. If you can get 2 people to do a code review, so you write your code, but then you get someone who can actually approve it and knows what they're doing to review it, and then you can also get a junior to review it as well. And the junior is sort of not really there to approve it and say, yeah, you can go ahead and merge that. They're there to do the code review so they can learn from it and they can ask questions. That's very powerful for them, and it's powerful for the organization because that helps prevent those knowledge silos from forming as well. And that's what code reviews actually do. They help knowledge silos. They help prevent knowledge silos from forming because everyone's looking at the code and looking at the changes.